Welcome back to our channel. Question number 9 is a good question. Checking your math concept. Very A and A, okay? Not just memorize the rules, okay? So first, look at the situation. Teacher has n students on a field trip and then separate into two groups, okay? The first group, 3 students, the other at least 3 students. Later on, you will know why it says so. And randomly assign 3 students to the first group. And the other will go to the second group. And that's it. So this is the determining factor, okay? Assigning 3 students out of n. So n student here, it gets 3 to the first group. And that's it. And the second group is the rest, okay? So the procedure, the number of ways is choosing 3 students out of a group of n students. So what is the number of ways? Permutation or combination? Does the sequence of choosing matters? No, it doesn't. So combination. So A, okay, is this NC3. You need to write out explicitly. So it's n minus 1 n minus 2 over 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 6, okay. For part B, okay, more complicated. 2 students not to work in the same group. They want to work separately. Okay, so how many number of ways can do so? So think about now we have a 2 scenario. Okay, it's just group 1 and big groups. So maybe we can say the 2 students are X and Y, okay? So X can be in the first group, small group, Y can be the big group, or Y in the first group, X in the big group, okay? So we have 2 number of ways, double the number of ways. So for each this choosing, okay, how many number of ways? So think about how many student names. If the teacher has assigned 2 students already, so n minus 2 students are left, and the teacher has to choose 2 to the first group, right? So the number of combination will be n minus 2 C2. And because there are 2 ways to do so, so this has to be multiplied by 2. So write it out explicitly. So it's n minus 2 n minus 3 over 2r, but multiplied by 2, so cancel out. But where's the equation? Half. The number of ways is half. So what equation we got is this is half of this one. So we have the equation in a bigger space, okay? And minus 2 over it. But okay, and this one is just half of the original one. Quite complicated equation, but luckily n minus 2 can be cancelled out. Okay, cancel out n minus 2. So move the 12 to the left hand side. So we have 12 n minus 36. Right hand side expanded n minus 1, so n squared minus n. So group them together. We have n squared minus 13 n plus 36 equals 0. Cross method again, Paper 1. Basic skill. So 36 can be 9 times 4, right? And 9 plus 4 is a 13. Excellent. So minus 9 minus 4, okay? And then you have to decide which one to choose, okay? So number of students, you can say 9 or 4, but why don't we choose n equal 4? Because at least 3 students in the second group. So at least 6 students altogether. So this one you can say is rejected. Yeah. So the answer is n equals 9. Very good question, very funny. When I work on it, I enjoy it too. I hope you enjoyed it too. And if you enjoyed it, remember like, share, and subscribe our channel. Support us. Thank you.